Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to buy domains from GoDaddy by joining the auctions. Now once you're at the homepage of GoDaddy, on the right side you will see an option called sign in, so make sure to sign in with your account. As you can see, like, my account is already signed in, so if you don't have an account, so just make sure to create an account. And once you are logged in, so on the right side you will see the first option called domains. Just click on domains, and once you click on domains, you will see all these options like multiple search for domains. So just go to this option called domain investing and auctions for domain names. Just click on this option, and once you click here, so as you can see, you will be directly into this section. Now let's say you are not able to see these kind of options, so make sure to find an option called auctions. And once you're inside the auctions, as you can see, like auction, you will see all the auction lists inside the available. As you can see, the bid, the price, traffic, age, and if you want to place your bid, you can just click on place bid, and the estimated price as well. That is your choice. Whatever domain you like, you can just select it. On this page you will see multiple auctions as well, like as you can read, auctions ending soon. This is the website, this and second one, third one, fourth one, and you can read the time as well, like 14 hours, 17 hours. And auctions added today, this is basically the price. And the website domain, you can read all the domains inside the auction section. So that is your choice. You can select the auction, you can just click on join auctions, and after that you will be able to buy domains from GoDaddy inside the auctions. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can buy it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.